Hi, welcome to Team Shania. Here we are working again late at night. This is a mural that we've hung. It was 4 pieces. We're down to the last piece, so I thought I would show you how I double cut. This is overlapped. You see it's overlapped about 2 inches. And I'm gonna cut right in the middle, about 1 inch, into here. And I'm gonna use a razor knife. I broke off a new blade. It's sharp, and I'm gonna wrestle with this chandelier and hope I don't get cut. So basically it's an eyeball thing. When you double cut it, both pieces are cut exactly the same because you're cutting both of them at the same time. So the little bit of experience I have gotten to where I had to start there. And I'm gonna leave my knife in. And then I'm going to go right on down, 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 down. And I'm going to come out here in just a second with, watch this, I'm going to pull both of them out. And the one on the back, and it appears that it didn't cut all the way right there. Hang on. It's okay. So we're going to go right up. We're going to take them both off at the same time.